so I can sit down.
Oh, okay. First things first, I guess I need to wash my face.
Yeah. Oh. I got one foot.
Waterproof mascara.
Alright. Let's see. Whoa. Alright. Time to get this shaving cream on my face. I'm going to shave every morning. Alright. Oh, that's a lot of shaving cream. Oh, I don't need to shave my ears. I cannot see it.
Why do I always forget to do that? Oh, I know I have to pull it.
Hey, Lori, how's my face look? Yeah, I can't hear anything in my right ear. There's shaving cream.
I need to...
Oh, there's the knife. Alright. Yeah.
I need to stop poking myself in the eye like that.
Oh, that's too hard.
I need to wipe the hair.
Alright. I gotta wash a little bit off.
Oh, I hate it when my eye is burning. I need to put my eyeliner on.
Oh, I love making bubbles in my shoe. Water on it.
Always forget where
Alright,
that goes.
I think that's enough shaving.
My nose itches.
I'm gonna grab that towel and clear my face off. The towel on the left side. Yeah, keep going.
Now it's
Yeah,
time to wax my eyebrows.
my left arm isn't too smart. Hey, that's my drink, Lori.
I'm really thirsty.
Boy, that's my drink.
I know, but I'm just so thirsty.
Give me, oh, my finger. Oh, it's bleeding. It's bleeding. Oh, everything's a mess. Oh, I'm done shaking. I don't know what is happening. That's my Pop-Tart, Lori. Oh, there we go. I got it in my eye. I don't know what's going on. Oh, this is a bad morning. It's going to be a long day. Oh. I don't like chocolate. I don't like chocolate. I can't eat this. It went down my shirt. Oh, alright, I need to clean my ears out. So with the earwax things. Right there. Right. Oh, perfect. I can hear you guys. Alright.
Do I look okay?
Yeah.
Do I need to put my hair up?
Yeah. Alright, I gotta brush my teeth still. Gotta have a clean mouth for the ladies. I don't have, no, toothpaste. Yeah. Oh, it's almost gone. Oh, my fingers are bleeding. Oh, get on the toothbrush. Come on. Get on the toothbrush. Get on the toothbrush. There we go. Alright, in the mouth. Oh.
Why do you always steal all of my toothpaste, Jordan? Share my toothpaste. My toothbrush is right in front of me. I gotta get it.
How do my teeth look?
You always steal my toothpaste. Give me the toothpaste.
I don't have any more. Okay, I think it's been 40 seconds. I can stop.
I look really pretty now. All right, we're ready.
Oh,
Jordan!
Lori,
I
I need a
think,
Band-Aid. Look at my finger.
Jordan, I think we're ready. Are you think we're ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we're ready.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go to work.
Why is he